Today we're going to be installing this right here, the integrated taillight, replacing my old one because of the that it's just hanging loose. So the only thing that's in the box, it's actually this right here. Should be fairly easy. Got a little darker than my original. So let me turn it on and see what this one looks like. So that's what the stock looks like. But all of that will be replaced with this one here. Alright, let's start. Finally we got this plastic piece off, which is the back end. You just really got to pull on it a little bit harder for it to come off. So once that's off, I think we're ready for the light to come off. Yeah, wait, it's off. What's this? So all that's left is unplugging these connectors. Let's see. There you go. Easy as that. Old versus new. Now plug and play, pretty much, except the turn signals. That's got to be routed a little differently. But we'll figure it out. First, before we put everything together, we want to make sure that this will work. Plug this in. Connectors look the same. Quick test. Oh, that's nice. I will show this later once I put everything together. That does look nice. Okay, so that works. What about the turn signals? Next thing is I'm going to take these resistors off right here and the old turn signals. Get them out of the way because I'm not going to be using them. So the step that I did now was I removed, or I should say rerouted, the turn signal cables. Just fish everything back because we will not be using these. As you can see in these connectors, this used to be the right and left turn signal, but you see how it has two pins on the inside, two terminals, and you only have two wires for right and left. So now we got to figure out which one is left and right. So once I hook these up, I will continue recording. Okay, so we're back, and this is what we've got so far. It literally took me 2 tries to do this. The blue wire goes on black terminal, and it goes inside. Let me see if I can focus here. It goes inside. I think if you're looking at the pins from like this side, it is the left side. So same thing for the yellow. Show the connections. I know it doesn't look professional yet, but it will be once I'm done.